Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are mastered microgreens that I have freshly harvested. Today with you I'm going to share a simple recipe of this. For these you need, as you can see, oil, chopped onions, chopped potatoes, mustard seeds and only the microgreens, rich in nutrients. So I'm in the process of preparing my first microgreen harvested mustard microgreen. All I did is that I have added some mustard oil and have sprinkled some mustard seeds into it, and then some chopped onions, okay, and then some chopped potatoes and my microgreen, and it looks yummy, as you can see. Of course I have added some salt, and now I'm going to add some chili powder. You can add chili flakes if you have. Okay, a little bit. And it looks nice. Adding some turmeric. So as this mustard microgreen has a strong, very strong aroma, so it doesn't need much spices, and as you can see it is looking pretty nice. And you can cook it on medium flame, so you have kept 1000 all throughout. And first you have to add your onion, then you have to add your small chopped potatoes, because they take time to cook, and this microgreen, they get cooked very easily and pretty fast. So it is almost ready. I'll check if my potatoes are done. Yes, my potatoes are all soft. That means my dish is ready. So that's it. I will let you know how it tastes. So it's ready. I've tested it, so it seems it will be better with rice. And the taste is, I'll I tell you, it's like, you know, slightly mustard type taste the mustard microgreen has. It's nice. Obviously it's very rich in micronutrients, and one thing, you need to add those at almost at the end of the recipe, because otherwise they will get charred. Okay, so you have to keep it green, otherwise you'll lose the taste. That's it. Try it at home, grow your microgreens and have nutritious microgreens at times. So you can always have your microgreens raw, uncooked. They're wonderful in burger and sandwich. Thank you for watching.